how to clean your Fuji Xerox printer when the paper smudges or smear and not very clear. So in this video we're going to clean this Fuji Xerox printer. It is FX DocuPrint P205B. Okay, to begin, just click on the start button on your Windows computers, and then we want to go down and then go to the Fuji Xerox section. So here it is, Fuji Xerox, and we click on the printer setting utility. Okay, here it launched the utility for the printer that you have. Mine one is the FX DocuPrint P205B, and you want to click on Diagnosis tab at the top and click on Clean Developer and click on the Start button once it's ready. So click on the Start button here. You also want to click on the refresh mode, and this will basically shake and mix up the cartridge toner. So give it a few seconds more. So the printer is now doing these things. Just wait and go back here. So just wait for a few more seconds. So this thing here is spinning around and the light is blinking. So it's doing its work. Okay, that seems to be finished. Come over here and then you click on the refresh mode and click on black. And again it will start to spin on your printer. Now give that a try and see if you can clean up the printing on your printer. In my case it works. After I've done that, the paper come out nice and clean. There's no smudges. Give a very good clear printing. So give that a try and see how you go. And that's how you can clean your Fuji Xerox printer with the clean developer and refresh mode for the FX DocuPrint P205B. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.